US Trade Representative showed 2 days ago, compared to the Myanmar, all confronted with a tariff rate of... For Japan, just to give an example, the automotive sector comprises 20% of the country's total exports, and the majority of exports are headed to the US market. Now, the flat 25% tariff on the sector that came into force yesterday means that Japan could lose 17 billion in export potential to the US, according to our calculations. In light of these new tariffs, countries like Japan can try to diversify the export destinations for vehicles. Markets such as China, Germany, the Philippines, and Thailand together hold an unrealized export potential for Japanese vehicles that matches the estimated loss in the US market. Of Cambodia's exports at this time to the US, for Lesotho and Madagascar, the US market. No, it's not a standard way that economists usually calculate ad valorem equivalence. And we've done the assessment also in the ITC, where we see that these baseline protection levels that USTR had on their cardboard roughly match indeed the trade balance divided by imports from a given country, and that divided by 2 then gives us the reciprocal tariff that has been applied. Just to say, no, this is not standard economics.
Thank you very much. Reciprocal tariffs on countries throughout the world. Reciprocal, that means they do it to us and we do it to them.
Personally, I've never seen it. So often tariffs are already expressed in percentage terms, and then you can just take the number from the trade bulletins or wherever they are published. Other tariffs or non-tariff barriers need to be converted into ad valorem equivalents, and there are ways how economists do that. It really depends on the measure there. It will get a bit technical if I try to explain that. But doing it based on a formula that relies on looks at trade deficits or like a trade deficit ratio to imports. Personally, I've never seen that. You can help countries reduce the risk of trade disruptions.